If you ask us what segments of industry require compressed air, we'll come back with which don't. Cars of all classes are given a coat of precisely sprayed paint. Compressed air can do a whole lot more. It blows fiber optic cables hundreds of kilometers through the ground, ensuring that the digital world continues to turn. And our water it is formed in a sea of compressed air bubbles. You will find us everywhere. With over 100 subsidiaries and exclusive contract partners, we are represented in every corner of the globe. Our reputation as a technology leader in the age of Industry 4.0 is well-deserved. What do we have to offer? Customized solutions for compressed air and inert gases for operations of every size and in any sector, all over the world. But it's not just hardware. A systems provider first and foremost, we pride ourselves on the Made in Germany seal of approval. We are a family-owned business with over 100 years of experience. Our continuous above-average growth can be mainly attributed to two factors: our high-quality standards and our innovative spirit. Our latest achievement is the Sigma Air Manager 4.0, which enables predictive maintenance and superlative system optimization. This saves both energy and money and reduces service costs. A Kaeser compressed air system is tailored to your individual requirements. We pour all our energy and passion into creating the ideal solution. Our state-of-the-art production facilities in Germany meet the very highest standards. Before being delivered, our products are tested thoroughly. No matter what line of business you are in, we have the perfect solution. After all, optimal is whatever fits your specific needs. Therefore, our experienced consultants and engineers go the extra mile to conduct a detailed analysis. We have developed systems that enable us to determine exactly how much compressed air you require and what level of quality. Our engineers recommend, plan, and then realize the most economical configuration and compressed air supply for your specific needs. A digital twin system facilitates optimal control, remote diagnosis, and predictive maintenance, and you can be sure of getting the compressed air that you actually need. Once the system has been commissioned, the experts at our Kaeser service ensure a long, highly efficient service life. With the support of cutting-edge international logistics, our service technicians are on call around the clock. Our contracting model also offers compressors, blowers, and additional components as an operator model, as a stopgap, or for extended periods of time. Whether you only purchase the compressed air or the entire system, our premium quality consistently meets the highest standards. As a family business, we place enormous emphasis on personal contact with our customers. get in touch. We look forward to hearing from you.